January 20th, 2019. This is Bill from Stockton Skies. It's 4 p.m. You know what that means? It's time for Sky Check. All right. Wow, man. What a day it's been. Very changing of the weather out here today. You can see it's partly cloudy right now, but man, about an hour ago we had a tornado warning about 5 miles away from us, southeast. I got some good video. Wind picked up. Anywho, got some weird looking clouds over there. And it's fairly warm. The weather has actually warmed up than it was, I'd say, 2 days ago. Actually, the heater didn't even run much this morning. Oh, here we go. Partly cloudy. I don't know what the temp is. Probably like 55, maybe. A little bit 58, maybe. It's nice here in the sun. Well, I guess about an hour and 45 minutes for the blood moon. The super blood moon, I guess. I'm gonna try to get it. Hopefully these clouds will stay away, man, because it's right in my backyard. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna use my telescope too, so hopefully I will get some good video. Alright, well, not much going on. It's a little bit windy. Hope you all have a wonderful afternoon. There's this dog that runs around every day and night. Hey, dog. I don't know whose it is. Poor thing. Look at that. Alright, everyone. Stay safe, stay warm. I hope you all have a good one, and thanks for watching Stockton Skies. We'll talk to you later.